going on, YouTube? It's your boy C10 96. I'm back with you guys with another video. And today, I'll be working on my truck, getting some data. Y'all stay tuned. Gonna have a good drive. Make sure y'all come in, like, and subscribe. Thank you.
Yeah, red Silverado. Oh, yeah, from the one
to the lie detector. Ready to see what it makes. Pretty hot day, so I hope still make the power that it should make. It's like 98 degrees out here in Mississippi, so let's see what she make, guys. Stay tuned.
Yeah, we'll look at. I mean, I can just look at it.
Tell me your guess what you think it will make to the turn.
We'll look at it. All right. All right, sounds good.
Truck cooling down, made decent power, so we on the first pull, but I know there's plenty of power left in it, so we letting it cool down. We'll get some more pulls on the fans here. Stay tuned, guys. Just a little old work truck. I definitely think it's a lot more power left in it. May just be a little power. We should know. We'll find out on the next pool. Y'all stay tuned. That's more like it right there. That's more like it. That's what she's supposed to make.
Yeah, we'll see. I think it's going to make a little bit.
It's gonna make more than that.
Yeah.
I'm willing to gamble. All right, y'all. Third pull. Power. Headed back home, there'll be no more than happy.